Hello, Specialized Landscaping Company. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO, and yes, we are a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I was told Mike would be the correct person to watch this video, so Mike, I hope you're watching. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. Also, if you're already working with an SEO agency or plan to work with an SEO agency or a web designer, this video will show you what you have going in the background of your website and also comparing it to one of your competitors. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. This looks like this is your website here. It's a good website. All the links seems to be working just fine. Simple navigation, the colors are good. Overall, a good website. I don't see a lot of content here, which is recommended in the world of SEO. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without stuffing. Stuffing, in other words, I mean spamming. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but scattered without protocol, it's just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam. So yeah, pretty much you don't have any content here. And what I mean by keywords specifically is buyer intent keywords. For example, landscaping Tacoma, California would be a keyword, which I see it is a high volume search inside of Google. So that's, you might want to keep at that onto your paragraphs inside your content. Let's jump into Ahrefs here real quick. This is a paid platform, Ahrefs. You can go to ahrefs.com and do it yourself if you like. It's a good platform to monitor what you have going. Currently, you have 26 organic keywords. Organic traffic, 15. Looks like on a monthly basis, you get 15, or at least last month, you received around 15. Backlinks, 14. Your DR meter, 0, and your UR. The second thing I want to talk about is the backlink section here. You currently have 14. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another, right? A backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. So you might want to be careful on that. The backlink section falls under the UR meter here, which you are at a 5. It's not giving you a lot of authority, not a lot of juice or boost. The third and final thing I'd like to talk about would be citations. A citation is essentially a company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those platforms. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That's pretty much what a citation is. And that falls under the DR meter here. And you do want to get those relevant backlinks and referring domains goes or citations. So as you can well imagine, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really gaining any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities like calls and leads. This is one of your competitors here, Urban Roots. Same thing, they don't have a lot of content as well. It's a good website here, colors, soft in the eyes. Let's look at what they have going behind the scenes. As you can see, 129 organic keywords, organic traffic. They're getting almost 200, referring domains 9, and backlinks 31. So they don't have much here. They have an 8 as a UR, which is a backlink section here. The DR 0.1. You want to keep this 2 at a 1:1 ratio, working with backlinks and referring domains. I'm pretty sure they had an SEO agency. They're slowly declining. They had a small decline here. They probably stopped on the SEO, but this is beatable You can beat this, guys. It's nothing too hectic. Well, hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. And if you need more information or have any questions, give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.